Okay, it's time to see what books are new at the library again. There are a lot of books in this box. Let's see. Brave Enough by Katie Gardner. Dread Nation by Justina Ireland. Let's see. A thriller, an undead actioner, a stinging historical critic, and a heartbreaking story of one indomitable young woman's fight for survival in a post-Civil War America. Another copy of A Map of Days. This is the 4th Miss Peregrine's. Okay, The Echo Room by Parker Peavyhouse. The Poet X, a novel by Elizabeth Acevedo. Black Wings Beating by Alex London. Looks like another Angel book. Let's see. For those of you who haven't seen yet, Hush Hush is coming out as a movie, and we do have the book. So, this looks like Fantasy and a Falconer. Dry by Neal Shusterman. He is the one who wrote Scythe and many other books. A Lady's Guide to Petticoats and Piracy by Mackenzie Lee. Swing by Kwame Alexander. This is your author as solo. I wonder if this is a sequel, because based on the cover, it might be at least a companion. The Gentleman's Guide to Vice and Virtue. I think that goes with the Petticoats and Piracy. We Regret to Inform You by Ariel Kaplan. And Overachiever's Guide to College Rejection. Blanca and Roja by Anna Marie McLemore. Summer of Salt by Katrina Leno. After the Fire by Will Hill. Hey Kiddo by Jarrett Krasoska. I'm not sure how to say that. This book has received a lot of really good reviews. This is a graphic novel, and it's about dealing with addiction in the family. The Astonishing Color of After by Emily X.R. Pan, another one that's receiving a lot of attention. It's on the long list for the Beehive Award too this year. Notes from My Captivity by Kathy Parks. Magnus Chase, 9 from the 9 Worlds. I believe these are short stories about some of the series and characters that you're used to. Fresh Ink and Anthology. This has some short stories by some of your favorite authors, Jason Reynolds, Nicola Yoon, Melissa De La Cruz, and a whole bunch of others. And these were really good. A Girl Like That by Tanaz Bathena. Sparrow by Sarah Moon. What I Left Behind by Allison McGee. Your Own Worst Enemy, a novel by Gordon Jack. Secrets of the Casa Rosada by Alex Temblador. Toil and Trouble, 15 Tales of Women and Witchcraft. Love a la Mode by Stephanie Kate Strom. Buried Beneath the Baobab Tree by, oh boy, Adiobi Trisha Nwambani. This one is supposed to be really good. I think it might take place in Africa. Unbroken, 13 stories starring disabled teens. Again, you have these short stories and some popular authors. Donnell Clayton, I believe, lives in Utah. So we'll... War Outside by Monica Hess. Looks like it might be some historical fiction. Oh, this is the author of The Girl in the Blue Coat. If you haven't read that one, that book was fantastic. The Assassination of Bragwain Spurge by M.T. Anderson. Okay, you guys, the cover looks kind of funny. You've got this elf and these spears, but this book is supposed to be fantastic. So maybe you can get it read before I can. The Boneless Mercies by April Genevieve Tucholk. So come check those out at the library, and we've got a couple more boxes in the next video.